Hello, my dear students. Lecture number 10 for CBSE Board, chapter number 14, Statistic. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from exercise 14.4, which is based on OGUs. Question number 1. The following distribution gives the daily income of 50 workers of factory. Now this is the data given. So this is daily income in rupees 100 to 120, 100 to 120 to 140, 140 to 160, 160 to 180, 180 to 200, and number of workers 12, 14, 8, 6 and 10. So this is a frequency and this is a plasma. Convert the distribution to less than type cumulative frequency distribution and draw its OGU. Okay. Now try to understand. Now this is the class interval 100, 120, 120, 140, 140, 160, 160, 180, 180 and 200. Now here the classes are continuous. Okay. Frequency 12, 14, 8, 6 and 10. So this is a cumulative frequency less than. So first frequency you write down as it is. Then 12 plus 14 is equal to 26. 26 plus 8 is equal to 34. 34 plus 6 is equal to 40. And 40 plus 10 is equal to 50. So this is what your N. That means the total number of frequencies. And then you write down one, then you find points. Okay, points for OGU less than type. So this is upper limit and this is cumulative frequency, corresponding cumulative frequency. So 120 cumulative frequency to 12, 140 26, 160 34, 180 40, 200 50. So these are your points. Plot this point on graph paper with suitable scale. Okay. Now this is a graph. So this is a y-axis, this is x-axis, this is origin. Okay, 120, here you take upper limits on x-axis and CF less than take on y-axis. Okay, so 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, and now then corresponding frequency, that is 12. So somewhere here, then next one is 26, here 25, so slightly up 26, then 34 and then 40, and then last one is 150. Okay, and draw a fine freehand curve. Okay, so this is OGU less than type. Okay, so you understand this. Now if you find median, then locate n upon 2 and draw parallel to x-axis, and then this is suppose intersecting point, then draw perpendicular. So median is on the what, this upper limit. Okay, now is it clear? Okay. Question number 2. During the medical checkup of 35 students of a class, their weights were recorded as follows. Draw a less than type OGU and hence find the median weight and verify the result. Okay. Now prepare table. Weight in kg. Now this is given. So this is important. Try to understand. Less than 38, less than 40, less than 42, less than 44, less than 46, less than 48, less than 50, less than 52. Okay, or sometimes they use below. Okay, so that means this is a given, this is a cumulative frequency given. Okay, less than. Is it clear? Okay. Now then class intervals 30, 36. So look here, this is what 38, that is upper limit. 38 is upper limit. Here also 40 is upper limit. So this and this, if you subtract, that is difference between this is equal to 2, and therefore this is start from what this class is, class interval start from what 36. Okay, 36, 38, 38, 40, like this. So therefore class interval 36, 30, 36, 38, 38, 40, 40, 42, 42, 44, 44, 46, 46, 48, 48, 50, 50, 52. Okay. Now this is a cumulative frequency given 0, 3, 5, 9, 14, 28, 32 and 35. So therefore your point is what upper limit and this cumulative frequency, corresponding cumulative frequency. So your first point is 38 0, 43, 42 5, 44 9, 46 14, 48 28, 50 32, 52 35. Okay. Now for calculation purpose you find frequency. Okay. Now then I explain you how to draw ogive. These are points. Okay, so this is my graph. Now this is a x-axis, this is y-axis. So on what x-axis take upper limits, and on y-axis take cumulative frequency less than, and draw 40 somewhere. 40 it is equal to 0, it is 0. So 40 is equal to this 40, then 3, then 42, 42, how much it is 42, 42, 5. Okay, so like this you plot all points and draw curve. Okay, now to find median, find what n upon 2. Okay, so this is what your n upon 2. N upon 2, from this n upon 2 draw parallel to x-axis. This line cuts the ogive at this point. From this point draw perpendicular on x-axis, and so this is intersect x-axis at this point. So this point is median, and this is 46.5. According what on the graph paper you can what calculate this properly. Okay, according to your scale. Okay, now this is a median, so my median is 46.5. Now I verify this using one formula. Okay, now here n upon 2 is equal to n is equal to 35, therefore n upon 2 is equal to 17.5. Median class is equal to is 46, 48, because this 75 is what lies between this 14 and 28, and therefore this is your median class. 46 is equal to L, then H is equal to 2, CF is equal to 14, F is equal to from this 14. Okay, yeah, and calculate, so that you will get that is also equal to 46.5. So both the medians are same. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear students, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.